Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Umingle live streaming for both YouTube and TikTok using OBS Studio. If you have two monitors, this setup will be even easier. But in this video, I am going to show you how to do everything using just a single monitor, step by step, so anyone can follow along. Let's start with the YouTube setup first. For this setup, I already created a custom message, but you don't need to use mine. You can create your own design or layout if you want. Now I am going to open OBS Studio and simply drag and drop that asset into OBS Studio. Once it's added, I resize it and place it exactly where I want on the canvas. After that, I open my browser and go to the Umingle website. Make sure you don't minimize the browser because OBS needs it to stay visible in the background. Now I go back to OBS Studio and add the window capture source. I rename this source Strangers so I can easily recognize it later. Then I select Google Chrome from the window list and click OK. Now while holding down the Alt key on my keyboard, I drop the window capture so that the only Stranger's camera area is visible. Once that's done, I place it where I want on the layout. If you are using a border like I am, make sure your border layer stays on top. You can do that by dragging the border layer above the stranger layer or dragging the stranger layer below it. Next, while holding the Shift key, I resize the frame so it perfectly matches the stranger's camera. This helps keep everything aligned and clean. Now I repeat the same process for my own camera. I add another window capture and name it my cam. Again, I select Chrome and click OK. Then I drop my camera window while holding the Alt key and place it under the background layer. After that, I adjust everything to match my layout and design. Take your time here and customize it the way you like. You can move things around, resize them and change position until it looks good for you. If you want to add text, you can simply add a text source and then type anything you want, like your channel name or a title. This part is totally optional, but it helps make your stream looks more professional. Now my setup is finished. You can customize it even more if you want, but this is enough to get started. When I select the browser and start chatting on Umingle, you can see everything showing perfectly inside OBS Studio. Just remember, if you minimize the browser, OBS will show a blank screen like this. So always keep the browser open in the background. Now I stop the preview and go to the settings. I click on Stream tab, select YouTube and then click on Connect Account. This will open your browser where you need to choose your Google account and give OBS permission. Once that's done, you can close the browser and click Apply and OK. After that, I click on Manage Broadcast. Here, you can edit your YouTube live details like title, description and thumbnail. This section very similar to YouTube Studio. You might see message like this if your channel doesn't have a live streaming enabled yet. So make sure your YouTube channel is eligible for live streaming. Once everything is ready, just click Create Broadcast and start streaming. Now you will be live on YouTube using Umingle. Now let's move on to the TikTok live setup. First open your browser and go to the Umingle again. Then open OBS Studio and go to the settings. Click on the video tab and here we need to change the resolution to portrait mode because TikTok uses a vertical layout. So set the canvas resolution to portrait, do the same for output resolution and set the frame rate to 60 fps. Then click apply and OK. Now, just like the YouTube setup, I drag and drop the assets that I created into OBS. I resize it to fit the canvas properly. After that, I added the window capture and drop it while holding the Alt key. I place it under the webcam background layer. Then while holding the shift key, I resize the frame to match perfectly. Once that's done, I duplicate the frame. Then I add another window capture and rename it my cam. I select Chrome again and click OK. Now I drop my camera while holding Alt, resize it using Shift and place it under the frame. You can also add the text or titles or label and customize everything however you like. At this point, you can select all the layers and move them together if you want. Just like before, if you minimize Chrome, you won't see anything in OBS. So make sure the browser stays open. Now go to Settings again and click on Stream tab. This time select Custom. Then copy your TikTok server URL and stream key and paste them here. After that, click Apply and OK. Now just click Start Streaming and you will be live on TikTok with Umingle. When I start chatting on Umingle, you can see everything appearing nicely inside OBS Studio. And that's it for this video. If you learned something useful from this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.